Okay, today we're talking about what is an RTU in HVAC. So what is an RTU? An RTU stands for rooftop unit. It is a type of packaged HVAC unit that mounts to the roof of a building. So basically, the way these work is you have your main components that consist of your compressor, your condenser coil, condenser cooling fan, your evaporator coil, your heating element, be it electric heat strips or a gas burner. You have your blower fan that blows the conditioned air down inside the building. You have your economizer that consists of a motorized damper that will modulate the amount of fresh air intake and mix that with the return air from inside the building. You have your reusable inlet screen on your economizer. And of course, you have your return filter that needs to be replaced every so often just before your evaporator coil. You'll note this particular blower motor is belt driven. So there's a motor mounted down below that spins the belt, that spins the blower wheel. But you may also have a blower that's direct connected or direct drive where the motor attaches directly to the blower wheel. And there's usually insulation on these inside panels, especially between the evaporator section and the condenser section. And we see here we have our disconnect switch. That's where our main power comes into the unit. And this red plenum here is our warm return air coming back up into the RTU from the office space below. The blue plenum here is the conditioned air being supplied down into the office space below. So that cycle just repeats itself over and over again. And the economizer will modulate depending on the exterior air temperature. So say you have it in air conditioning mode, but it's early in the morning and the outside air temperature is nice and cool, then those louvers are going to open up and bring in more outside air. It may not even need to kick on the compressor to condition the space. Whereas in the afternoon with the air conditioner on, if it's 100 degrees outside, you're not going to want to bring in 100-degree air. That's not efficient, so it's going to close those dampers and just recirculate the indoor airspace through the evaporator coil. And you can also see here the expansion valve, be it a TXV or an EXV, etc. Remember your expansion valve, that's your metering device. Now, these units, even though they're mounted on the roof, they don't have to have a vertical supply and return plenum like this one here. They can also have a horizontal supply and return plenum with a 90-degree elbow like this. And again, usually it'll be insulated.
Wow.
So that's another option for installation of these rooftop units. They can be pointed directly down vertically, or you can have your supply and return going out horizontally out the side of the unit and then 90-degree it down into the building. Or you'll see a packaged unit like this. Again, obviously not mounted on the roof, but all the major components are the same. And you see it's ducted directly into the side of the building, both your supply and return air ducts. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.